In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency in your Udemy account. By following these steps, you'll be able to adjust your settings to display prices in your preferred currency. Begin by logging into your Udemy account through the website or mobile app. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, which is situated in the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select either account settings or profile settings. This section contains various options related to your personal preferences and payment information. Take a moment to look for any settings related to region or currency, as these will guide you in adjusting your preferences. Next, if the option is available, select your preferred currency from the list provided. In some instances, Udemy may automatically adjust the currency based on your country or IP address. When you proceed to make a purchase, you may notice that prices are converted to your selected currency during the checkout process. It is essential to ensure that your billing information and payment method align with the region you have selected. Additionally, updating your region settings might influence the displayed currency, so it is wise to review these details carefully. After making your selection, remember to save the changes in your account preferences. Once saved, refresh the page to verify that the course prices are now displayed in the updated currency. When you reach the checkout page to purchase a course, you should see the final amount presented in the currency you selected. If you find that the option to change currency is not available in your settings, it is likely that Udemy will automatically convert the price during the payment process. If you encounter any issues with the currency display, do not hesitate to contact Udemy support for assistance. Maintaining the correct region settings is crucial for ensuring accurate pricing information, especially when making purchases. Also, be aware that large files or slow internet connections may impact the loading time of the settings page, so patience may be required during this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.